Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to teach you how to install Walmart app on your phone. The process is really simple and short. Stay with me, I'll show you how. Let's get started. So first of all, open Play Store if you are on Android device and open App Store if you are on iOS device. I'll open Play Store on my phone. Now this is the homepage of the app, and on the homepage you'll have to tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. And on the search bar simply type Walmart and press search. Now this is the app we're looking for. Here you'll simply have to tap on the install option on the green background and wait for the app to get installed. Meanwhile, let's talk about the app. As the name suggests, Walmart shopping app is an online shopping platform. You can purchase products online and get them delivered to your doorsteps using this app. You might have heard of the physical Walmart stores, right? This app is the same. The only difference is that it is not physical and you can order things online. So it is really convenient to use when you don't want to leave your house. The app is almost installed now. Let's wait for a few more seconds and it will be all ready to use. So the app has been installed on the phone. Now you'll simply have to tap on the open option and you'll be directed to the app. You can now create an account and start using the app. So this is it for the tutorial. I hope it was helpful, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for further tutorials. Thank you.